Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm your girl Meeshee as always. So today we're going to do braiding, and it's been a while, I know, but I hope you enjoy this video. So as always, I always divide my hair into three parts, where I always start with the behind part because I feel like it's the place where it needs more attention and energy. And when I'm starting to braid is the time I really feel I'm so energetic and I really have the sake of doing it. So as always, I always braid my hair with a tiny braid, and then I come back with a bunch, or how will I call it, a bigger pinch of the hair. So I just use the tiny bit to hold the whole hair, so that in case of pulling, at least it has something that supports it. So this is the next day, guys. I took a full whole almost night to do the behind part and the first third. So I think today will be the day that we'll be finishing, because if I tell you guys this hair is so long, you'll see it later on. I'm just going ahead with the same routine I always do, and yeah, I had to eat to get the energy to do this. So continue watching, more details will be shared later.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll change it.
So I wanted to show you how I was dividing my hair: the brown part, the mixed part, and the other part is the black part. So I'll start with the black one, and then I go to the mixed part. I add two bunch or two pinch, and then I go to the brown part.
There are no trees inside of me, in this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but we'll change it. I would like to tell you my mysteries. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny, your love makes me feel alive. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by Loved by you.
So what's up, good people? I know you've seen the start of this video was just all over, and I just want to now give the details of this hair, guys. I think I made a bad decision doing tiny braids, but I'll deal with it the way it is. So this is how bulky my rasta is looking. Can you see? Like, it's too long. It fits, it ficas my bum, you guys. So the hair turned out right. I used almost 3 bundles of extra long. Have you heard of extra long braids? I used almost 3 bundles of extra long braids, and I mixed number 27, which is the brown one. This brown, no, I will say I will deal with it the way it is, because the main reason for me doing this long hair is because I'm planning to graduate. Your baby girl is graduating at last. I've just had this journey. It has been very long, and I think I'll share more details. Either this will be a week vlog, or I do not know, the way it will just come out. So I'm planning to graduate. It's now, today is Tuesday. I started braiding this hair on Sunday at around 5, and then I braided till 1 at night. I did, as you saw, I did the back and this first half. First at a not a third, because it had remained like this part to the end. So yesterday was Monday, and it was a holiday, Jamhuri Day, and I started braiding at around 11. Yeah, so I did from 11 to 7. Not to almost 8 is the time I was finishing now the whole braids, but I had remained with like the endings. So these ones I did them today. Today is Tuesday. I did it for like an hour as I was watching vlogs here and there, and pop up. I'm having all this. Let me stand. Let me show you. Let me just stand, because you guys are not ready for this. You are not ready for this. Kindly comment how you feel my makeup looks. I will appreciate. Let me know how it looks. Yeah. So let me stand. So let me just stand. This is how long my mini is. How long my braids are. Very, very long, and they're a bit bulky. We do not have any other option. Tutapambana tu viliko, and we'll just deal it with you. So I'll give you tips and pro of this hair in case you just want to do it. Tips and cons of this hair. 1, do not let them, if someone is doing it for you, do not let them do it tiny the way I did them. Let them be a little bit like medium size or large size. The reason why it's bulky is because I did small ones, and I wish I would have done them bigger. And then the reason of not doing them tiny ones is because it will be bulky and very heavy. Like, I feel the weight. I just feel the weight of this hair. And another thing I'll say is, if you're not good with hair, like you do not love hair stuffs, just do not do them, because it takes a big chunk. Hey, mimi hata sijui how I'll survive with this hair. You can see 3 get a big bonnet. I'm currently using this one because the other one I cannot use it. The other one I kinda use it when I'm having lines or I'm having tiny hair. So I'm using this whole big of bonnet. This is the bonnet I'm currently using, and to tell you, the hair just sit in, and this part here, from here to down, it's not even in the bonnet. So in case you get in case you do this hair, just know it's a big struggle. I wanted to do it because I've never tried an extraordinary hair, and this is just it. So I think what I'll be doing, I'll not be tying it here in the middle because I feel it's having a lot of weight and I feel my head is straining. So I'll be leaving, like I'll be tying half and then I leave half to float. Another hairstyle probably I might be doing, it's this one. I tie it in the middle and then I leave a quarter, and the other third quarter behind. This way I do not feel the strain of the head, but just know it comes with a struggle. Yeah, anyway, I like it, I enjoy it. So in case you like the end results of this hair, kindly comment down below and tell me what is that one thing you will try when it comes to trying extraordinary things. I really wanted to try this because let me show you my graduation cap so that you understand why I decided to do this hair the way I did it. Give me a minute. So this is my graduation cap. The time I was going for this cap, I tried it and it looked really funny because I was having lines. But now it has this kablada thingy here, and then the front part there is nothing. So when I put it on, I need this band to support the back like this. Are you not getting me? Are you getting me? I need this thing to be supported behind here so that the kakofia can balance on one side. But anyway, we are graduating. So now this is the end result of everything. Here I needed something to support this kikisogo. Yeah. So until next time, see you guys. I hope I'll be able to do a vlog of like the whole graduation ceremony thingy, but if I don't, you have seen the cap, and this is the reason why I'll be busy. Anyway, I think I'm going to do my nails today because I want to turn them red. I'll be putting on a red dress. I think I'll take you through of everything that I'll be doing, and I want to document this graduation season because Lord knows how long I've prayed for it. Lord knows how long it has taken me to be where I am at the moment. So mkiniona town, munizoe, tabidi munizoe. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.
Say what you wanna say to